Now we're going to finish on with our fire animation. As we can see here, I've dragged a center line, or a line down, guideline down to the center of my photo. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and select the top half of my photo here, like so. Just bring it all the way up. There we go. Now it's selected, so all I got to do is over here, right click, and there should be, well, it's not here. We'll go into layers, and we'll do new layer via cut. There we go. Now you can see over here my layers. I have a top half, a bottom half, and I was smart enough to go ahead and make a secondary background copy of this. So there we have it. Now I have my top layer and my bottom layer, and these are going to help me whenever things start to move around. So what's going to happen is I'm going to go ahead and take this layer and I'm going to move it down by hitting my key, hold down shift and bring it right down to my center line. It's going to snap because I have my options set up. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to take this one, I'm going to bring it up to the top as well. And as you can see, they don't meet up here, so we're going to have to do something about that, and we'll do that in the next part.